Hello everyone, welcome to Shaheen's kitchen. How are you all doing? Fine. I know everyone is cooking something or the other of their choice, but many of you must have got bored with the simple vegetables, cooking daily those aloo gobi and some bhajis. So, do you want to try something new? Because my children have got bored and they wanted something new of gravy. So, today I am preparing egg korma for them. So, why don't you learn with me? Come with me. So friends, because it's egg korma, we have to boil eggs. I have taken just two of them, boiled them, peeled the skin and just made a slit over them. So during frying, they don't get burst. This is a very important tip. Do follow it. And very little bit of turmeric because this gravy will going to be whitish and very smooth in texture. We are going to add green chilies and no red chilies at all. I have boiled 4 medium to large size onion because we require some more gravy. You can increase or decrease the amount, but just see, follow the method. Ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoon to 3 teaspoonful. White pepper powder according to your taste, but at least we'll require half a teaspoon of it. 1 or half teaspoon of kasuri methi, we're going to crush it. Salt according to taste. Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Coconut powder 1 teaspoon. And these are almonds, 15 to 20 almonds. Watermelon seeds. I have boiled them and peeled them. We have to make a paste of it. This is some homemade malai. You can take cream, whatever you have, because it's locked down. So some things are not available. Just follow the recipe and at ease prepare it with ease. These are whole garam masalas, a piece of cinnamon stick, 8 to 10 black peppercorns and 4 to 5 cloves and 4 cardamoms, which we are going to grind among all these things. And this is half a cup of curd. This is sweet curd and oil. We have to make a paste of, very fine paste of almond, watermelon seeds, green cardamom, green chilies and curd because it is less in amount, so we are going to, and this is coconut powder. Make a very fine paste of it. So this is the paste of almond, curd and rest of the things like watermelon seeds, green chilies, etc. Now we have to make a very fine paste of these onion. So this is the paste of onion, boiled onion. Now we have to fry our eggs. In the same pan we are going to prepare our gravy. Do not forget to make a slit over here like this. So we have to give this color and take out these eggs. We are adding 1 more spoon of oil and add these whole masalas to oil. Once these masalas are done, add onion to it. And we have to fry this onion till it turns little pinkish in color. So now you can see it has started leaving the oil, and now we have to add ginger and garlic paste. And very little turmeric powder. And now we have fried our ginger and garlic paste along with turmeric and onion for 3-4 minutes till that raw smell goes. And now it's time to add garam masala powder, white pepper powder, and this paste of almonds, coconut powder, watermelon seeds along with curd. Once when we add all these things like almond, coconut powder, etc., reduce the flame and add little bit of water so that it may not stick at the bottom. And now we have to cook it on slow flame. After 2 minutes we'll add salt. We'll get the exact amount of this gravy and then we will add salt, otherwise it gets salty. Now add salt according to you require, half a teaspoon or 3/4 according to your taste. And we have to keep the flame slow and add some more water. In between we have to check it and stir it, and now we will cover the lid and cook on slow flame till we get the oil on the sides. So friends, on slow cooking for 10 to 12 minutes, now all the oil has separated. We can remove this extra oil, and now we have to add cream to it to give richness. You can avoid it, but if you want something creamy like we eat in restaurant, you can add it, because these food are not eaten daily. Sometimes you can just manage to have them and put some more effort in your exercise. And this is kasuri methi. Crush it and that's all. This gravy can be stored for days together in fridge, and you can prepare some extra gravy because it takes time to be prepared. You can always store it and use it in some other thing like in paneer, for malai koftas or for chicken. So now it's done and it's time for plating. So friends, here's where egg korma is ready, and you can enjoy it with tawa roti, homemade tandoori, or even naan. And I'm sure you're going to love it. My children are waiting. They are just roaming around. They want to have it. So do subscribe my channel and learn some recipes like this. And if you want to learn something, you can ask me. If I know it, I'm definitely going to post it. So enjoy your cooking. Have a nice time. Stay at home. Be safe.